Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to this new tutorial video here. And in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. You don't currently have permission to access this folder. So here I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. So first of all, go to the search option here and now type gpedit.msc, and here you can see this option. Right click it to open, and here this will bring you to this window, and I'm going to expand this one for your better viewing. And after that, go to your Windows settings, and here you can see security option, expand it, and go to local policies, expand this one as well. Local policies, click the local policies, and here you can see three option. Go to security option here, and now this will bring you to this, and all you have to do is scroll down, and here you can see user account control admin approval mode. You have to change this one. Right click it, double click it, and here all you have to do is select the disable one and select apply, and after that select OK. And after doing that, you can see this option, your user account control run all administrative in admin approve option. This is enabled. You have to double click it again and select the disable option and select apply and select OK. After that, you have to restart your PC, then you will solve the problem. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.